I don't think people understand how powerful an internship can be. Let's change that. Imagine this, a sales internship opportunity, commission-based role where you work remotely, earn based on your performance, and help revolutionize education in Pakistan. That's what VMAS offers. Join our team and dive into a world of innovation. With flexible hours, you'll have the freedom to shape your schedule while making a real impact. Plus, unlimited earning potential means the sky's the limit for your growth. You'll be part of a dynamic team driving cutting-edge IT solutions for students, interns, and job seekers. Gain hands-on experience, enhance your skills, and build a professional network, all from the comfort of your home. Ready to step up? Apply now and be a part of the future with VMAS, where your passion meets purpose. Apply now by emailing your resume to career@vmas.com.pk. Let's create a tech-powered future together. Learn more at www.vmas.com.pk.